All right, so I put the monitor back in the box for a minute, and the reason I did that is because it's going to be a lot easier to put these cables in. So here's where the power cable is going to go. And then here you can see, so these are two HDMIs, and this is DisplayPort. So we're going to want to put the DisplayPort cable in there. How do we know it's a DisplayPort cable? Because it says as a stylized D here. It also has this little corner kind of cut off there, and that matches here. So that's the only way that can go in. And then I'm going to take the other end, feed it through this hole here. All right, power cable, this end, throw it through there. And then, now that power cable's in there. Now, if you were going to do an HDMI, it would be here. But you'll get lower resolution with the HDMI cable. Even though this came with an HDMI cable. How do you know which one that is? It says HDMI on it.